All right, let's dive into a new tool from Google that's trying to solve a massive developer problem. Yeah, this quote, it really hits home. It's a pain point every single developer knows all too well. So what's Google's big idea to fix this? Well, it's a platform to speed up code understanding. And here it is, CodeWiki. Think of it as a living documentation system. So instead of static docs, it creates a wiki that evolves in real time, right alongside the code. Okay, but how does it actually pull this off? It all comes down to three core ideas. It's built on these three principles, which all work together to keep the docs alive. First up, automated. This means your documentation can literally never become outdated. It just evolves. Second, intelligent. You're not talking to a generic model, but one that knows your repo inside and out. Which means, yeah, you can just ask your code questions directly and get instant answers. And third, integrated. Every single answer links directly back to the actual code. And you can see the difference, right? It's a huge shift from static, unreliable docs to a dynamic system. And for when text isn't enough, it even generates diagrams that always match the code's current state. So what's the real-world impact? This could dramatically slash onboarding time for new developers. The best part? You can actually try this today on public repos using the new CodeWiki say. Let's talk roadmap. After the public site, a CLI for private internal repos is coming next. And that is huge for companies where the original code author is, long gone. Which brings us back to the main goal, letting developers spend their time building, not just deciphering. This really points toward a future where anyone can understand any code base almost instantly. So here's a final thought. Is the era of manual, outdated documentation finally over for good?